Hi everyone! In this video, we will be going to learn about wine sales and services. So let us now talk about wine. So by the way, a wine is an alcoholic beverage that made up of fermented juice of grapes. So technically, there are a lot of kinds of fruits that is qualified to used for a wines. Some of those fruits are apples, cranberries, and plums. But if we will talk about wines, it is usually labeled as a grapes flavor. But in fact, a wines is usually made up of fruits. So actually, there are five wine basic characteristics that would help a customers to find what's the best for them. So number one is sweetness. So when you drink a small amount of a wine, your tongue will conclude if what is the taste of a certain wine. It is the ability to judge the sweetness of a wines you take. So the second one is the acidity. So in wine tasting, the acidity refers to a fresh, tart, and sour attribute of the wines which are evaluated in relation on how the acidity will balance the sweetness and the better components of wines. So there are three primary acids that found in a wine grapes. So there are tartaric, malic, and citric acid. So the third one is the tannin levels. So the tannins create a dry sensation in your mouth when you are drinking a red wine. So the fourth one is the fruity flavor. So it is combination of aroma and taste sensation, which means it is extremely effective, interesting, and enjoyable to drink. So the last one is the light or full-bodied. So when we say light, it is like a low viscosity or low volume of alcoholic, and full-bodied is a high volume of alcoholic like 13.5%. So moving forward, so there are also a wines classified into five categories. So the first one is the red wine. So the red wine is made up of a dark colored varieties, and its example is Cabernet Sauvignon, which is one of the most famous black grapes. So the second one is the white wine. So many of us understand or know that a white wine is made up of a white grapes, but actually a white wine is made up of red or black grapes. So the third one is the rose wine. So it is typically a blended wine, and it is made from a variety of different wine grapes. And these reduce skin contact, give rose a pink hue, and lighter than the red wine. So the fourth one is the dessert and sweet wines. So these are the wines that consider a sweet wines and will be taken with a meal. So the fifth one is the sparkling wine. So the sparkling wines is not an alcoholic beverages. So now let us moving forward to our topic to discuss in this vlog. So it is all about a wine sales. So what is a wine sales? So a wine sales refers to an executive who perform sales and marketing in an overall objectives to improve the wine sales. So they will work in conjunction with the other sales and marketing staff to increase the minories of the products and the overall profit. For those who don't know, the responsibility of a wine sales representative is to sell a wine. But that's only depend of what type of company does a wine sales representative works for. It's either he or she trying to sell those wines in retailers, distributors, restaurants, and bars. And selling a bottle of wines is not uneasy because in encouraging clients to purchase a bottle of wine of yours is very difficult since individual has a different factors that affect our buying decision. Now try to imagine if you are selling wine is very difficult or it's quite hard. But how much more if you are introducing it to the actual guest? It feels like scary or trickier. But if you are knowledgeable enough to the wines you offer, there's no need to worry about. Because if you do your job with the characteristics of fineness, merit, solicitude, and friendly, it will be a big help for you to increase your wine sales. If you sell a wines, you should have a positive mindset like I can do it. I can sell more wines and selling of wines is very easy. That's the best outfit that you could wear to gain more profit. So when you are introducing wines in the guest, you should ask them first if what is their preference in wines. You should tell them the different taste of wines that's stored in the bar so they can choose what they want. So after confirming their sense of taste is you should suggest them the three different price range. In suggesting the three different price range is you have to alternate the pricing like the first bottle is in the high priced, the second bottle is in the average pricing, and the last one bottle is at the budgeted level so that the guest would differentiate those presented wines. Please take note that when you before offering a bottle of wine to the guest is you should check it first. It's either it is stored enough to a bar or how old it is because the older bottle of wine is is best selling and it is the most highly demand wines. And also, please take note that a wine list should easily complement to the food you offer in the restaurant. And by that, your wine should be easily paired with one or several offer dishes. Thus, sell your wines by taking advantage of offering wines and food pairing is a better experience. Consume your best-selling dishes on your food menu and have a certain wines in mind that the steward or server can recommend to your restaurant customer. And if you want to and if you want your wines to be paired with the other dishes to sell both your foods and wines. When you are selling a wine or when you are engaging a customers in front of you, you would stand out like a professional. You will act like a professional so that we can gain their trust because their trust is the most important for us to gain their attention. And as a server or a steward is you have those kind of characteristics that is more confident because your job as a steward or a server is to offer or suggest a bottle of wines to the guest. You should always wear your smile in front of the guest, because if you will smile on them, they will make or they will feel comfortable with you. So let me bring the glassware on the table. So since I don't have a red wine glass, I will just use the white wine glass to use in this activity. So the guest ordered a red wine. So in handling the white wine glass is you must hold the stem wine glass towards the base of the stem between your thumb, four fingers, and middle finger. So you'll find that your other fingers will just rest on the base naturally. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to present to you a bottle of wine, which is a May wine. So it contains a 150 ml. Shall I open the bottle for you, ma'am? Yes, please. So here is the cork, ma'am. So how was the taste, ma'am?
It's good.